slices of bread and 2 slices of cheese. Are you ready? Let's begin. Let's go over the steps on how to make the grilled cheese sandwich. Step 1. Butter the slices of bread on one side, just one side. Put 1 slice of the bread into the pan, butter side down. Put your 2 slices of cheese on the bread. Then put your other slice of bread on top. And last, cook until brown, then flip, cook until that side is brown, then we take out and enjoy. Let's get started. Okay, get your 2 slices of bread and your butter. The butter might have to be soft to spread. Spread the butter from each edge of the bread. Make sure it's all covered. And keep the butter side up. Now that both slices of bread are buttered, unwrap your 2 slices of cheese. This is where your parents might need to help. Turn on your gas range and start heating the pan. Put the butter side down, then your cheese, then your next piece of bread. When it is brown on the bottom, get your parent to flip. When both sides are brown and the cheese inside is melted, the sandwich is done. Be careful, it will be hot. Cut your sandwich in half. Looks good. We are finished, and this is our sandwich, and that means it is